Hello. Tell, hello, my name is Devendra. Explain what would you consider primary skills relevant to this role. Okay, so I am expertise in GStreamer, in device driver, firmware, bare metal, and I have experience in real-time operating system as well. So I can develop application on real-time as well as on Linux type of OS, and I have created some Linux kernel module. Also, I have worked on the GStreamer side. Yeah. Can you screen share? Yes. Okay. So I am also expert in C++, C, and I have experience in Java also. I currently am working as also I have worked on the some aerospace domain, and I worked on the soundbar system, worked on a web OS, TV web OS for Comcast and that type of companies. Yes. Can you tell me about the projects you work on, highlighting your role they care technically? Okay. Okay, so currently I'm working on the cockpit display system, where I'm working on the display service team, where I'm creating a framework which is used by other team members to create the application which are used by pilot to control the aeroplane and all. So I'm working on Vulkan. I'm working on OpenGL, and I'm working on this type of project right now. Before I have worked on the Fire panel, where I did some bootloader creation, created a bootloader. I I completed the fiber cyber security requirement. I created a secure boot and that type of things for the Fire panel. I did some BSB upgradation on the Linux type of Fire panel. I have also did some combined project with other team, like with the camera team. So worked on a GStreamer type of things. So what I did is I created uh, one middle layer with the which can be used by a GStreamer plugin. So whenever we change the SOC, we will just update the HAL layer will not upgrade to middle layer, so that the application layer are separate and the HAL layer is separate. So that type of projects I work. So I did some GStreamer plugin development also. That type of things I did. So PCIe, okay. So actually, I'm using PCI not from the low level. So I know the PCI is I have the what we are using as a PCI. So we have a currently whatever cockpit display system I am working on, in that there is a Xilinx board. Xilinx board is connected to the IMX8 board. IMX8 board is connected via PCI slot. So what we are doing with the PCI is we have a shared memory. So whatever data between the PCI, between these two board, are used via this PCI communication. So the Xilinx board work as a PCI. Xilinx board work as a PCI endpoint, and that IMX board is connected on that device. So PCI is the device which can be used. So PCI is the protocol which can be used to make like a high bandwidth communication, where we have a very like a bigger bandwidth to the for communication. And so that is what I know about the protocol. So I know so I did that all things, like I used FPGA as an endpoint device and on the Xilinx board, and using Xilinx driver I have done some like POC type of things on the PCI. Not detail, I don't have much detail about right now, but that type of things I have done. Okay, so the PCI lanes is the lane which is used for where the data communication happens, data lane. So if you have more lanes, you have a more bandwidth, more data transfer. If you have a less lane, you have a little bit slower, like you have a little bit like you it's like uh, two lanes means you have a two data lines, you have a multiple data you can communicate. If you have a three lane, then you can transfer data with the three lanes, so it will increase your data bandwidth. So that BSM eight. Six. या तो हैंग થઈ ગયું. क्या भाई तो फोटो उठाने से लग सो ये ऑब्जेक्ट डिटेक्ट करता है क्या? सही है, यूलो यूज़ किया, यूलो एडजस्टमेंट कर देता हूँ क्या होता है। चश्मा निकल गया तो 89 ओके, खत्म हो गया था इसका इंटरव्यू। अरे भाई ये तो घटिया है यार, हैंग हो जा रहा है। इसकी एज डिवाइस चाहिए इसके लिए। कर बेकार क्या है, तो सबमिट करना है तो यहाँ चैट की कच्चा बनाई। मैम थी